To change the language on your Redmi Watch 5 Active, you will need to start with My Fitness app. If you browse through all of the options for that watch, there's no language there. Also, if you try to find those settings in the watch itself, there's no such option. And now to actually change the language on the watch, you will also need to change it on your Android smartphone or iPhone. And you can do it by going to the Android or iPhone settings and then revealing the additional settings. And right here we have languages and input. Now in the language options, you can switch to different language. Now we need to give our watch a few moments until it applies to that language. So now it's still in the English, but after a few moments it should change to German. We can even try to reboot it by holding the power button. And yep, now it's in the German. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.